Hey guys, have you seen mushrooms before? They are everywhere. You may see them around, especially after rainfall. We may think that mushrooms are plants because they appear to be growing from soil. But no, they are not plants but fungi. They belong to the kingdom fungi. So in this lesson, we'll learn about fungi and how they are very different, especially from plants. We'll also learn about the features that make them so special. The study of fungi has its own field, and it's called mycology. Mycologists have shown us that fungi have very different characteristics from plants. Fungi are eukaryotic as plants are, but they do not have chloroplasts like plants do. They also have cell walls made of chitin and polysaccharides. Plants, however, have cell walls made of cellulose. This is one major difference between plants and fungi. Here's another big difference. Fungi exhibit a heterotrophic mode of nutrition, unlike plants, which exhibit an autotrophic mode of nutrition. I believe that you remember that a heterotroph cannot manufacture food but depends on taking in food from other organisms and other sources. But an autotroph, like a plant, can manufacture food for its use. Fungi have no true roots, flowers, stems, or leaves like plants do. They store food in form of glycogen like humans do. Plants store their excess food as starch or cellulose. Fungi are cosmopolitan, meaning they can be found in several environments around the world, but they particularly like warm and humid places. Fungi have their bodies divided into two major parts, a filamentous part and a fruiting part. The filamentous part is delicate, thread-like, and possesses a hyphae. This hyphae forms a network like a fishing net called a mycelium. The mycelium or network of hyphae is always found on the ground, like the roots of plants, while the fruiting part is always above ground. Some fungi like rhizopus and mushrooms are multicellular, while others like yeast are unicellular. Most fungi give rise to other fungi through spore formation. Some may also reproduce by conjugation, a sexual form of reproduction. Here's one important thing about fungi. They are majorly non-motile organisms. They cannot move around on their own, except for a few. Now, with all of the characteristics that we have discussed, you can see how fungi are very, very different from the organisms of all the kingdoms we've learned previously. So they deserve their own kingdom. That's that about fungi, but there's still more to learn.